Hey everybody, just want to make a quick video on something that may help you out or may not. We have a 2013 Model S, and for quite a while now we noticed around, let's say, 15 miles and under, there is a weird clunk or metal like cling coming from the back wheels when you go to accelerate or stop. And it has to be like when the car kind of, you hit the brake, or I mean, you let go of the gas or you hit the gas kind of hard, where it like jolts the car a tiny bit. But anyway, it's gotten louder over time, and we were wondering what it was, and it's from the rear. It's just a big cling, a little metal like cling. It's quite loud, actually. It got louder. Anyway, this is the back of a Model S with the wheel off, and what we found it to be was we didn't have to replace anything. It seems common on a lot of these, but if you take the wheel off and you look at the middle center axle nut, the problem is in there. A lot of times these axle nuts become loose, or they become dirty in the splines of the CV axle, because if you take this nut off, there's splines in there where the CV axle goes into place on the hub or the wheel bearing. And so what we noticed, our passenger nut was quite loose. It was almost finger tight, which these should be very tight when you go to loosen them. Like, you need a breaker bar. Anyway, so we took them off anyway on both sides of the rear. We sprayed some like throttle body cleaner in there and cleaned out all like the rust specks from brake dust in the splines. And this pushes in a little bit too when you take the nut off, because it's got like it's a CV joint, so it moves a little bit. Anyway, you just take this nut off. It's a 32 millimeter, and you take a little washer off. You can just pull it out and clean the splines up in there around the center, the shaft there. Just clean up the splines in there with cleaner. Then we packed some just regular black automotive grease in there, put the washer back on, then put the nut back on, and tightened it down quite tight with a breaker bar. And we did it to both sides, and all of a sudden the clunk and cling noise was completely gone. And I think it was mostly caused because it was loose. Not necessarily because it needed cleaning, but we did, both things that you were supposed to do, and it fixed our issue for free. It was quite easy and fast, and yeah, I would tell you, try it. And even a Model 3 apparently has this issue as well. So it's just not, probably Model S, X, and 3 could experience these issues. So just wanted to put that out there so people know, check that. See if that nut's loose or dirty in these splines. So thanks for watching, and yeah, try it out.